Cell structure and function. Cells differ in their shapes and size. All cells, however, show some similarities in their structure. A general structure of cell is shown alongside. A typical cell consists of three basic parts. The first one, cell membrane or plasma membrane. Second, cytoplasm. Third, nucleus. Cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called plasma membrane. It forms the outer boundary of the cell. It is a thin, delicate membrane. Cell membrane gives shape and size to the cell. It allows only certain selected substances to enter or leave the cell. The cell membrane separates cells from one another and also from the surrounding medium. The plant cells and bacteria also have an outer wall surrounding the cell membrane. This outer wall is called cell wall. The cell wall is made up of tough material called cellulose. The cell wall in plants surrounding the cell provide protection against temperature variation, high wind speed, atmospheric moisture. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a thick jelly-like fluid inside the cell membrane. It occupies the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. All the life function take place in the cytoplasm. There are many small cytoplasmic body in cytoplasm. These are called cell organelles. All cell organelles in cytoplasm play an active role in the functioning of cell. Nucleus. It is an oval shaped body floating in a cytoplasm. It is surrounded by a thin membrane called nuclear membrane. In animal cells, the nucleus is present at the center of the cell. The nucleus controls vital functions of the cell. The nucleus consists of following four parts. First one, nuclear membrane. It surrounds the cell. It controls and allows the passage of certain materials in and out of the nucleus. Second, nucleoplasm. It is a dense fluid in nucleus. Third one is nucleus. It is a spherical body present inside the nucleus. It contains ribonucleic acid RNA. Chromosome. Chromosomes are thread-like structure composed of DNA and protein. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. These contain basic hereditary unit called genes. Genes are responsible for passing characteristics from parents to their offspring. Function of nucleus. The nucleus of the cell has the following function. The first one is transmission of hereditary characteristic from one generation to the next generation. Second, it controls all the function take place inside the cell. Cell organelles. First, mitochondria produce energy in the cell. That is why mitochondria are called powerhouse of cell. Both plant and animal cell contain mitochondria. Next, endoplasmic reticulum help in the transport of substance within the cell. Next, ribosome help in protein synthesis. Ribosomes are found both in plant and animal cell. Next, Golgi body synthesize, store and secrete many substances. Next, vacuole. The sac-like structure present in cytoplasm are called vacuoles. The vacuoles in plant cells are large. In animal cells, vacuoles occur less frequently and are smaller in size. Vacuoles store soluble food, waste, and secretion of the cell